Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. On my channel, I like to focus on, for the most part, affordable beauty. It makes it easier for me to review things for you guys because, you know, if I can go to the drugstore and buy like, I don't know, 10 things versus go to a high-end store and buy like one thing, kind of get more bang for my buck. Plus, I really like affordable beauty. I feel like drugstore makeup has like stepped up their game so much that sometimes it's better than high-end. But that's my opinion. So if you're new, just wanted to give you a little information about me and my channel. Alright, today's video is another part of the e.l.f. and Electric Mood collection. This time I'm going to use the Electric Mood Illuminating Elixir. I got it right here. I haven't used it on my face. I've kind of played around with it. I swatched it a couple of times. I was not sure if I was going to get this. I wasn't sure because I was trying to see like swatches and everything. And a couple of weeks ago I saw Juicy Jazz talk about it. And it looked really pretty on her. But I'm pretty sure I'm like 10 years older than her. Somewhere around there. I'm 33 and she's definitely like young 20s. It looked beautiful on her. So I don't know how this is going to look on me. We'll see. As long as it's not super glittery, I think we're going to be okay. If it has a nice like glow, like if it's a truly illuminating primer, we should be okay. But if it's like glittery, I know I'm not going to like it. But we'll see. We'll see. This thing is huge. This is, I was expecting it to be smaller, but look, it's like almost the size of my hand. The packaging is gorgeous. It's like, I want to say it's glass. Yes, it is glass. Okay. And it has a gradient effect. It's like blue, kind of turns into greenish yellow. I will read you what it says on the box. It's called the Scorpio Glow. It says, when skincare and makeup collide, call it a fast track to luminous spa day. Skin in an easy to use elixir with a peachy illuminator to enhance any skin tone. That's true. Peach does work like pretty much across the board. Glide across your complexion for the ultimate supple glow. Directions: massage a little, or depending on your star power, into the skin at any point in your makeup routine. Use it as a glow booster under, mix it with foundation or alone for the perfect no makeup day that doesn't sacrifice glow. Okay, so it's one of those products that you can use under your foundation, over your foundation, or on a no makeup day. It doesn't say to shake, does it? It doesn't say to shake. Okay. So this is what we are working with. Let's see. It does look peachy. Hold on. So let's do this. That's what it looks like. It's pretty thick too. Like it's not dripping down my hand. Let's blend it out. That was probably way too much on my hand. It's pretty. Wait. It doesn't look glittery or anything. Hang on, let me adjust this light real quick. Okay. Can you guys see that? You know what this is reminding me of? What is it called? The Becca Skin Perfecting, when she used to do them in the droppers. That's kind of what it's reminding me of. And if you look up close, this is obviously too much on my hand, so it's very concentrated, but it does give you a really pretty glow. It almost looks metallic on my hand. So let's use it on my face and prime it. That was that. The only thing with the dropper is it definitely gets a bit messy. You can see that. Not a huge fan of that, but just wipe that off. Okay. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to apply it to my face. on my face, it looks a bit metallic. I don't know that it feels like skincare. It definitely feels, there's a nice look to it. Let's see. I'm trying to gather my thoughts real quick. There's definitely a glow. It's not overly metallic, but it looks a bit metallic. And somebody's gonna say, this is common sense, duh, you should know this. But, because somebody said that to me once. Because it has a metallic finish, it is highlighting the texture on my skin. So, on a no makeup day, I would not personally use it, because I don't like when you can see the texture of my face. That bothers me. I'm a little insecure about that. But this is what it looks like from far away, right? So if I like, and I turn, it does give me a really, really pretty glow. Like you could see that, right? Really nice. Up close. Up close, you can see some texture there. You can see a lot of texture here, but that's because my face is textured. It's not anything to do with the product itself. That's my skin. So for that reason, I wouldn't wear it on its own every day, but that's a personal choice. So let's put on some foundation over top and let's see how that kind of peeks through. Let's mix a little Rare Beauty foundation, because this is more of like a satin kind of foundation. It's not overly dewy or anything. Alright, so I'm going to take that. Should be in my shade right now. If you're curious, I am 210 neutral in the Rare Beauty. So let's... I don't like it under this foundation. I don't like it. Let's see. I'm gonna show you why too. Hold on. Let me try with the brush first. Okay, let me get in. It's emphasizing my pores like crazy. Wait. Do you see that here? It's like sitting on top of my skin. Now this foundation, when I've worn it in the past, looks like second skin to me. I don't like the way it's sitting over this. Let's see. Let's try the other side. Maybe it's because I packed it on with my fingers instead of the brush. Oh my god, that looks terrible. That looks bad on my skin. Okay. Oh my god! Look. Do you see how it's like catching onto... Oh my god, look at my nose. Hold on. Let me try something real quick. I have not had a foundation do that to me in forever. I gotta do like a test real quick. You know how sometimes when you do an experiment and you have to have like, what is it? You have the experiment where you're doing the actual experiment, and then you have like a blind test where you don't mess with anything just to compare it. I think it's the blind test. Let me just see something. Because this foundation never looks like that on me. Let me go back. I just put on moisturizer. I just want to see. This is why I don't like primers sometimes, because they play me. Alright. I did the e.l.f. Hold on, let's get you in again. I have the e.l.f. That elixir here on this side. And it messed with the texture of my face, or like my skin. And you see how here you can literally see the foundation sitting on my face, and like it just looks patchy. It makes my skin look bad. Here I have on moisturizer and the same foundation. Do you see how it's sitting on my skin a lot better? Even on my nose, it looks, I didn't blend it out, but it looks a lot better than what it did before. So the elixir thing is not for me. I think it's pretty. Let's see something, because I'm not going to completely write it off just yet, because I am curious to see how it looks as a highlighter. So I'm going to take a little bit. I think maybe if you're oily, maybe you'll like this. If you're on the dry side like me, I don't think so. But let's try to salvage what we can. So I'm going to put it here as a highlighter. I mean, it looks, for me, it looks better on my foundation than it did under. Let's see. I'm just going to blend the other side just to see. Oh my god. It makes my skin look so bad. Oh god. Alright. I can see this working on somebody younger than me. It's not working great for me, and I'm going to show you again. Alright, look at this area where I smile. Look how that looks. That looks terrible. It's like, oh my god, it looks so bad. And this side with moisturizer does not look like that. Okay, so I think I have my thoughts now. I think it's a pretty product. I think if you're oily, maybe you will like it better. I'm more on the dry side. This just disrupts my makeup. It disrupts my makeup, and it makes it sit like funny on my skin. I think the color's pretty. It's a little too metallic for my liking. I like something more of a dewy finish versus a metallic finish. It's cute. It's, you know what I mean? It's just not for me. It's just not for me. It's not for my skin type. I think it's a beautiful concept. I think it's cute. And yeah, if you're oily, try it out. I don't know what I'm going to do with this now because I'm not going to use it. Yeah, that's what I think. I think if you maybe you're a little younger than I am, it'll look nice on you. For me, it's just a little bit too much metallic, and it just doesn't sit well with my skin, and not with a foundation either. So, love the concept. I love the idea behind it, but I don't think so. Another option that I could do, probably, I'm not going to do it now but maybe mixing a little bit of that into my moisturizer. I don't know, makeup day, but it's okay. It's not really my cup of tea. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you in my next one.